Canada is working to improve trade and economic relationships with countries in the region. We'll hear more about this as well as your usual market updates in the Business Report with Danita Rodney.
On Thursday, April 14, the High Commission of Canada, in partnership with the University of the West Indies, hosted a conversation with Canada's Minister of International Trade, Export Promotion, Small Business and Economic Development, Mary Ng. The event was among a schedule of activities under Canada-Caribbean Trade Mission, which focused on opportunities to strengthen Canada's trade and economic relations with Guyana, Jamaica, Barbados, and Trinidad and Tobago, with a focus on clean growth. The discussion saw separate CEO Richard Pandohi expressing his desire to see the rebuilding of the economy.
If we're going to build back, we're going to have to build back with a very different approach. We should be triggering behavior change that involves people at the center of what we do. The well-being and inclusiveness of people building back. The resilience of a society is going to come from the people. And I think we must have learned that lesson by now, and that is something I think we want to be really strong around.
He also spoke of not looking for handouts, but building our own wealth by investing in our people through quality jobs.
No longer days we should be looking for grants and handouts. We should be looking at how can you help us to build our real wealth. You know, the governments talk about GDP. GDP is just like a profit and loss statement. It's a moment in time. It doesn't measure your real wealth. It's not the only thing that creates a sustainability around the business. Our real wealth is in our balance sheet, and our people, our society, our inclusiveness is a big part of that. Those are discussions that we need to have. Those are discussions we need to insist upon, because we need to create quality jobs for our people. If we don't, we're going to lose. All these people at UWI, everybody's watching. When you look at the way real wages have risen in the US, for example, their last job report showed that they're their lowest unemployment rate since 1969. You cannot find people of skill sets now in our country. They can move and materially change their life. If we don't build real quality jobs, real quality opportunities for our people to change their trajectory and beat the poverty trap, we will not have a resilient economy.
It was a statement that Minister Ng wholeheartedly agreed with.
I agree with you fully that as we build back better, it has to be with people at the center and at the heart of it so that economic prosperity yields to people.